Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cloudflare Workers for serverless endpoints, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Cloudflare Workers for serverless endpoints, begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, navigate to the Workers section found in the dashboard. If you don't see it, click on the More tab to reveal additional options. Next, click on the Create a Service button. This will prompt you to enter a name for your service. Choose a name that reflects the functionality of your serverless endpoint. After you've named your service, click on the Create Service button. You will now be directed to the Workers Editor interface. In the editor, you will see a default code template. Review the sample code provided to understand how it works. You can modify this code to suit your specific needs. To test your code, locate the Save and Deploy button on the top right corner. Click it to deploy your changes to Cloudflare's infrastructure. Once deployed, look for the Preview option to test your worker. Enter a test URL or input to see how your worker handles requests. If everything appears to be working correctly, proceed to the next step. Next, you will need to configure your worker's routes. Click on the Settings option in the Workers dashboard. Scroll down to the Routes section. Here, you can define specific URL patterns that will trigger your worker. Enter the desired route and click Save to apply your changes. You can also set up additional routes if your service requires. Once your routes are set, your Cloudflare workers are now fully activated. To confirm everything is set up properly, run another test on your specified routes. If successful, your serverless endpoints are ready for production use. Make sure to keep track of any logs and analytics available in the dashboard. This will help you monitor performance and troubleshoot any issues later. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Cloudflare Workers for serverless endpoints. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.